Well, good afternoon, La Familia. You know, Sons of Anarchy is always in my heart and soul to stay in every single way. So I hope everyone's having a beautiful afternoon, wherever you're at in this charming world, because yes, of course, you know the Reaper lives right here. Bam! Got Songs of Anarchy Volume 4 rocking. And of course, you know, bam, we gotta have that Reaper cup and a cup of coffee in the afternoon because it's the best life ever because of friends like you. And of course, I got Jack Towers, Katie sunglasses, and Jack Towers Gold Zipper. With Kiwi chilling on Mama Daddy's lap. You know, we're here to spread that positivity right there, bro. Right, Michelle Edmonds. Appreciate you all, Ellie. You know I'm always here as a friend. If you ever need me, you know, call me anytime. 989-858-6158 or 989-858 or 99448-8145. It is. You gotta give it a little bitty boop. There you go. Yes, Carolyn Pittsburgh is live on my baby. It is live from my lap because someone's wrestling like a warrior, baby. Yes, I got Sons of Anarchy in my heart and soul forevermore. And I hope you're rocking some of that Reaper gear. Because, yeah, since 2008, no better. No better. So have a beautiful afternoon. We got something cooking in the crock pot. Teriyaki pork roast with a little taters. Gonna be ready about 3 or 4 hours from now. So love you all. Appreciate you all. Kiwi says hello to the family community out there worldwide. We appreciate y'all. Have a great day. Love y'all. Be safe out there.